everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am sharing this cute little 4th of July box. I almost forgot about the 4th of July, and then I thought, oh my goodness, I didn't even make a 4th of July box, and this one's super quick and easy. If you have the new stitched nested label dies, these are the ones that I'm using, and I am actually using the largest one in this collection. I love these. I've made another box with these too, so you can check my blog if you want to see that one, but I decided today that I'm going to make a 4th of July one with this. So this is what I'm sharing today, and I just put some little M&Ms in here. Stampin' Up! Doesn't carry this size bag anymore, but you can use probably the 3 by, I think it's 3 by 5, our next size up, and fill that one with candy too. It probably would fit even better in here because this is a pretty wide box. So this is what I'm sharing today. It's really a fun one and very easy to put together. Alright, so you are going to need some blueberry bushel and some real red for this, and then a little piece of Whisper White, and this Whisper White measures 6 3/8 by 2. So that's for the inside of our box, and then we're just going to cut out 2 of these large nested dies to create our box. So let's go ahead and cut these out first, and then we'll get ready to go. So I'm going to bring up my big shot here, and we'll run these through first. So I'm going to do the red one first. I love the blueberry bushel with the real red. It's really patriotic looking. I like it better than like the Night of Navy that we have. So there's our one. And then we'll do this one. Uh-oh, I cut that off of the... Let me grab another piece. It slid over. I happen to have one right there. So we're going to just go ahead and run this one through. Alright, and that's all we're using our big shot for, is to cut these 2 pieces out with our nested dies here. So I'm going to grab my trimmer here. And the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to cut both of these. Now on this one, we're going to cut it at, we're going to put this tip right here at the 3-inch mark. And then we're just going to cut that off right there. So there is our piece that we're going to use for our box. And then on this one, we're just going to line this little corner right here up to the trimmer and just trim it off. It doesn't really matter. We're just trying to get a flat edge there. So you can cut it, you know, a little bit shorter if you rather have it shorter. You're also going to need 2 pieces of blueberry bushel that are 1/2 by 2 3/4. We're going to use these for the little banners on the front. The stamp set that I'm using today is it's called Family Party, and I didn't have any 4th of July, and I couldn't find any 4th of July stamps that I wanted to use. So I'm using this Family Party. It is for birthdays and stuff, but look at their stars here, and we're going to use these stars, and we're going to use the 4, and it has the TH right here for the 4th, and then it also has happy, so it works perfect for the happy 4th for this box. Alright, so let's go ahead and score this little piece here that we're going to use for the inside of the box. We're going to score this on the 2-inch side at 1/2, and I'm just scoring the 1/2 on this side. It's just easier for me to hold there, and at 1.5, or it's 1/2 on each side. And then we are going to score it at 2 on this side and 4 3/8. And that's it. That is it for all our scoring. This is super simple. And then you are going to cut up on the sides here. I'm cutting in on these. We're going to do it on all of these. Both sides. And then we're going to sharpen these and get our box put together. This would be cute, you know, as little favors for your 4th of July cookout or your party. Now, I think the best way to do this is to use your wet glue. So what I'm going to do here, oh, I need to stamp this one first. So let's stamp this one first. We're going to use Real Red. And we're going to stamp the stars all over this. So it's tone on tone. It's really cute. I love this little star. I'm glad I found it in this stamp set. Alright, so that is that. And then we're going to just put this together. Now what I did for this, I actually used the wet glue. I'm going to, hopefully this is going to all stay together. And I just, because you do have to hold the wet glue a little bit before you can proceed. So hopefully this won't take long to, but line it up and make sure you're square when you're doing this part, because you don't want your box to be lopsided. And the thing about wet glue is that you do have a little working time to make sure that you have it, you know, standing up straight. So I'm just putting a little on the ends there so we can hold this part together. So you see what I mean? You have to kind of hold it. So this step, actually you could probably use like your snail or something on it just to hold it together while you're waiting. But it doesn't take that long if you're patient. I'm just being impatient because of the video. So then we're going to just go ahead and add the adhesive along the sides here. And you want to line this bottom up with the very bottom of your die that you just cut out. So this is going to stand up straight. And then we're going to just put adhesive here. And this is the front. So you want to line that up too. Just wait a minute so that has a chance to dry. And let's go ahead while that's drying. We're going to go ahead and stamp. So then I'm going to use the Memento Black, and we're going to do the Happy in Memento Black. We're going to punch this after we get it all. Do the Happy first. And then I used the Blueberry Bushel for the 4th. And then we have the TH right here. It's really little. Be sure you don't lose that because it's really good for. And then I'm going to just use some of the Real Red. And we are going to stamp the stars again. I'm just going to stamp it around your 4th. And you can go, I mean, I'm just going to make sure I have enough so that when I punch it, there's stars on the whole thing. I stuck my finger in my ink. Alright, and then I'm going to use a 2-inch circle punch, and we are just going to punch that out And we'll bring our box back. It's pretty dry now. We're going to banner edge the edge of these. I have my banner punch, but it's not close to me, so I'm just going to go ahead and banner. I always forget to bring that because I don't have it close because it's a bigger punch. I'm going to grab my snail. We're going to attach these to the front here. And then I'm going to use some dimensionals to pop up our little 4th of July. I'm just using the ends here of, because I don't have a full one, but I don't want to waste this. So I usually use every bit of it. And then we're going to put that on there. And I even brought some M&Ms here, and I'm using our cotton Real Red ribbon. Again, use the 3, I should have brought the 3x5s out here of the little bags. But whatever bags you have on hand, just use whatever you have. But I love the Stampin' Up! Bags. Most of them are food safe, which I love. And then we'll put our little candy inside. So there you have it. Here's the other one. Aren't those cute? They're really fun, and look how quick they go. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one, everyone. See you later. Bye.